Yo, what's going on? Another day in the books. Now I know I didn't say we was in the, shedding phase, but now we really in the shedding phase, man. Check this out. Check this out. Look at all that. We really in the shedding phase now. Yeah, but I ain't ugly though, so I don't know about that ugly duckling shit. You know what I'm saying? I still look good. Nah. But look, check it out. We definitely in the shedding phase, you know what I mean? And yeah, it's I don't know. I don't know. I still got high hopes, you know what I mean? I'm looking in the other mirror. I still got high hopes. I'm just gonna stay the course, you know what I mean? Think positive, because this is a phase, this is a stage, I feel like, where you get kind of anxious and you just start thinking like negative, you know what I mean? I am on Propecia though, finasteride. So I take that every day. But yeah. Yeah, man. Shedding phase. Just an update. Be back next week. I'll be back next week. So start doing this once every week for the month of, this is month, we started month 2. So yeah, man, shedding phase for real. Look at all that, gone, gone, gone. But it's little hairs creeping up out of there though. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm saying. I'm still optimistic. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's do it. All right, peace. Ooh, ooh, man. Talk about shedding. Yeah. So I recently went and got a cut. I couldn't do it no more. It was starting to look like I had a mullet or something. Too much in the back, not enough in the front. So I'm gonna take y'all. Let's show y'all the donor. We red. All right, so we shedding. I got a lot of dry scalp here. You know what I'm saying? But I know the progress still working. Look at those strands. Some of those strands is high for the most part. We're not even 2 months in yet. So we're almost 2 months in. I think I got like 2 more weeks. It will be 2 months in. But hey, the progress still showing, the progress still growing. I'm probably like, due to the fact that my hair is like, it's kind of got like this shadowy effect where all of this is red, because all of this is the donor area. It's a different grade, as you can see. So I'm probably gonna just grow my hair out and then just get fades, like get faded all the way around, because it don't look bad, but to me you could just see the skin is red, and I'm not really a fan of that. So I'm probably gonna grow my hair out as the months go on. Excuse me, as the months go on, I'm gonna just grow it as high as I can, and yeah, that's just gonna be what it is. Cause I hope that pigmentation of it, like, I mean, I probably could get SMP, but I'm probably not gonna do that. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just gonna grow my hair out, So all right. Gee. What's going on with my everyday people? We back. I'm like 1 week away from 2 months. So let's take a look. You know what I mean? We definitely in that ugly duckling phase, but check this out. I'm not ugly. I'm the most handsomest man in the world right now. You know what I'm saying? Check me out though. Look, we definitely shedding. And we definitely got a lot of dry skin, dandruff and stuff. And look at my face. My skin is dry too. But hey, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We not going to get discouraged about nothing. We going to keep pushing because we know at the end of the day, we going to have our hair back. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look at my donor. It might be dry. It might not be. I don't know. I ain't really had too much going on with the crown, but I just wanted to show y'all that anyways. But yeah, donor, you know. This is where my hairline used to be at, all up in here. So all of this is added. All this is added. And yeah, we almost 2 months in. You know what I mean? I can't wait for the 2 months mark to be over with. Get to the 3rd month, 4th month, 5th month. Hey, look, nobody said it was going to be a sprint. It's a marathon. So let's just keep running. Let's keep doing it. And yeah, it's coming. It's coming. I can't wait to show you. Can't wait to see the results, and I can't wait to show the results. So, hey, 12 months, next October, we coming. Full head of hair, hairline, all that. Braids, dreads, not just playing. But look, check it out. We gonna get there. So, yeah. Peace. Yo, what's up? It's officially 2 months. Excuse my dandruff, my scalp be dry. It's officially 2 months, 60 days. Oh man, it's been a rough little journey, especially dealing with with losing all my transplanted hair, shedding phase, whatever. Check it out from the side. But we all know, everybody who's gone through this already knows what it is. We already know the process. Everybody in their 2 month stage looks like this. And you know, I don't know. It is a little it makes you, it does play with your mind. You know what I'm saying? It plays with your mind. You know, everybody else is like, people who aren't familiar with hair transplants are like, oh man, when is it gonna grow? You know, how do you think they did on it? And then they're looking at this and they're like, it's like, come on, like, you know, nobody really has faith, you know, so you have to be that driving force to have faith in your hair transplant that, you know, everything will work out the way it's supposed to work out. I did get a haircut yesterday. I have to go to a wedding on pretty soon, so I'm just gonna hair fiber it up, and then you know, everything should be good. But like I said, man, it's 2 months in, 60 days, and you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. You know, I'm gonna take y'all around the back. You know, got tapered up on the back and the sides and stuff like that. My donor looks good, as good as it's gonna be. Don't look like no over harvest or anything like that. But yeah, like I said, man, it's 2 months in. On the road to 3 months. What's this month? December. So January 19th, that'll be my 3 months. I'll start posting a video for that. But yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. But it is a little hard though. You do have to keep in mind that everything will work out, and it will work out the way it's supposed to. So, all right, just checking in. See y'all next month. Peace.